Alright, so I am first going to try to start with cleaning up this front area. Sorry, my heat is blowing right now, so if you can't hear me very well, that's probably why. And then after that, I'm going to try to tackle this table, which always accumulates so much junk from the week. And then after that, I'm hopefully going to sort all of this laundry, maybe put that laundry away so that I can go ahead and get the laundry done. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this all accomplished. So I know that intro was a little bit different, but hello everyone. If you're new here, my name is Laura and I am trying to make content about getting things done, motivational cleaning, a little bit of cooking. I mostly do shorts that are cooking videos and just, trying to keep it together and show some of my life as a mom of one. My house just seems to get so dirty so quickly, and I'm sure so many of you can relate. So I'm just kind of trying to let people know that they are not alone out here, that, we all kind of go through struggles, and it's definitely hard each week to try to get things done. Anyway, so like you can see right now, I'm cleaning off my dining room table. This is the area that seems to accumulate the most stuff throughout the week, whether it's papers or, just things that I didn't have a chance to put away during the week. So this is a Thursday in the afternoon, and so I'm going to go ahead and try to put everything away and try really hard to keep this space a little bit clean. Also, my floor in my front area, there's always shoes and bags and things like that, so I'm trying to be a little bit better about keeping that clean and less cluttered. I feel like it just makes things look a lot nicer, and I don't immediately come in the door and feel stressed about all of the things that I need to put away. So after I finally have everything cleaned off, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down my table. I should do this every night, and I am so ashamed, you guys. I hate doing this, and I don't do it very often. When my daughter and I are done eating, I usually focus on doing the dishes, cleaning up the food, and then like either playing or doing some more cooking for the next day or, whatever else. And I feel really bad because I never do this. I think most people, like I said, probably do it every night. Is anybody on here? If you're brave, want to comment on how often you clean off your kitchen table, that would be great. I'm trying this year to be better about it. And I feel like with a tablecloth, it's just like really easy to not like see all of the pieces of food and things like that because the designs kind of hide that. So I'm trying to be better about this. And I'm also changing my pumpkin tablecloth, which is terrible because it's February 2025. And I still have my pumpkin tablecloth on. And I really wanted to find a Valentine's Day one, but I just did not find one. And my table is like the worst shape ever. It's like a 52 by 52 by 52, like it's a square, and I feel like I can never find square tablecloths. This is just some of the stuff that I collected from the front room, and I'm going to take upstairs eventually. So I'm going to let the table dry, and then I'm going to put a new tablecloth on there. Like I said, I couldn't find a Valentine's Day one, which was kind of disappointing, but I do have just kind of like a plain one that I'm going to put on there once I let that other one dry. So I'm going to take everything upstairs. I know this is kind of a bad angle, so I apologize for that. I just don't have a good place to put my camera so that you can see. So I'm just kind of putting everything at the top of the stairs, and then I'm going to distribute it and take it where it needs to go once I'm all finished. I'm just hanging up some clothes, nicer clothes that I, don't want to put in the dryer, so I just hang those up. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and get my laundry sorted. I didn't show all of that just because I feel like it's so boring to watch, to just sort through a huge pile of laundry, but I did have so much laundry to do. I wish I was the kind of person that remembered to do it like during the evening time, like at night. But I feel like it just takes so long. Like, and I don't really like to stay up a whole lot later. So I will mostly do it on like Thursdays and Fridays because I currently work from home on those days right now, but that's going to end soon, unfortunately, which I'm so sad about. So I'm going to have to find a new laundry routine that kind of works for me. I know some people, or they say like to do a load every night, but I don't like to let my clothes just sit in the middle of the living room like all week because I don't know how many people still sort their laundry, but I do still sort my laundry out. As you can see, like I do like delicate clothes and then like dark clothes and light clothes and all of that. I don't just throw it all in together. So I just don't like it to sit in the living room for that long. I like to like take 1 or 2 days and get it all done. But if anybody has any like laundry routines that they have, that would also be great to know if you want to comment down below. But I just feel like it's really hard to kind of figure out what that's going to look like in the future. So this is once I've sorted everything. You could see my really large piles of laundry. And then this is everything that I got done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here at this point, I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.